Hey guys, it's Becca. Today I'll be showing you how to recreate these cute Pusheen nails. Start off by painting all of your nails a sheer pink. Use gray to make Pusheen's head near your cuticle. Use a darker gray to add 3 lines between the ears. Use a dark pink to make a little heart above the head. Outline Pusheen and the heart with black. Continue using black to add the mouth, eyes, and whiskers. Finally, add a pink dot inside the mouth. Seal in your design with a top coat and you're done! All of the products used in this video will be listed in the description below. Thanks for watching!